Hello, my name is Ina Krag, founder of Legal Tech Counselor and the Cyber Forest platform. Today, I want to explain the difference between no-code automation tools like Make or Zapier and real SaaS infrastructure. No-code platforms are great for quick automation. You can connect apps, move data between services, and build simple workflows without writing code. For prototypes and small internal tools, they work well. But when you try to build a real SaaS product, serious problems appear. No-code systems depend on external connectors. They often break when APIs change. They have execution limits, and you usually have very little control over reliability and security. For a real SaaS platform, this is risky. Production SaaS systems need stable infrastructure. They need identity control, billing logic, execution control, audit logs, and compliance layers. That is why the Cyber Forest platform uses a different approach. Instead of relying on no-code automation, we build infrastructure on Cloudflare workers. The same type of infrastructure used by banking systems, government platforms, and large-scale digital services. Cyber Forest is built around 13 architectural layers. Each layer handles a critical part of the system: identity, billing, execution, and audit, security, compliance, and analytics. This architecture allows founders and developers to build real SaaS platforms, not just automation pipelines. Our team at Legal Tech Counselor helps turn an idea into a structured SaaS architecture, from the first concept to a working infrastructure. If you want to build a SaaS product that is stable, scalable, and secure, you need real architecture. You need real architectural clarity, not just simple automation. Follow contractbot.dk to learn more. Most founders believe that building a SaaS product starts with automation. They connect tools like Make or Zapier, build a workflow, and think they have created a platform. But automation is not architecture. And when a real SaaS system grows, this difference becomes critical. Today, I want to explain the difference between no-code automation pipelines and real SaaS infrastructure. My name is Ina Krag, founder of Legal Tech Counselor and the creator of the Cyber Forest platform. Tools like Make and Zapier are extremely useful. They allow people to connect applications and automate workflows without writing code. For example, you can connect Stripe, CRM, email system, and Google Sheets, or automate processes like customer sign-up, payment, email notification, and database entry. For prototypes and internal tools, this works very well. This is why no-code automation became so popular. But when founders try to build a real SaaS platform, serious problems appear. No-code automation pipelines depend on external connectors. If an API changes, the workflow breaks. If the platform has execution limits, your automation stops. If the service has downtime, your system fails. But the biggest problem is control. In many no-code tools, you do not control the core components. You do not control execution logic, security layers, audit infrastructure, or compliance architecture. And for production SaaS, those elements are critical. Automation tools move data, but real SaaS systems must control execution. A real SaaS platform is not just automation. It requires a structured architecture. For example, identity systems and billing infrastructure, execution control and security layers, audit trails, compliance monitoring, and analytics systems. These components must work together, and they must be reliable. This is why most successful SaaS companies build their platforms on cloud infrastructure, not automation tools. This is exactly why I created the Cyber Forest platform. Cyber Forest is designed as a constructor for building SaaS infrastructure. Instead of connecting automation tools, the platform is built on Cloudflare workers. This type of infrastructure is used by banking systems, large digital platforms, and government services. Cyber Forest is organized into 13 architectural layers. Each layer handles a critical part of the system. For example, identity layer, billing layer, execution layer, and audit layer, and security layer, compliance layer, and analytics layer. Together, these layers create a stable and scalable SaaS architecture. Many founders have great ideas, but they struggle with one question: how do you turn an idea into a real SaaS platform? Hiring a large development team is expensive. Managing infrastructure is complex. And choosing the wrong architecture at the beginning can destroy a product later. Cyberforest helps founders move from idea to infrastructure. My company, Legal Tech Counselor, analyzes the idea, builds the architecture, and prepares the platform for real operation. This includes business model analysis, break-even scenarios, funding strategies, and technical architecture. Automation is useful, but automation alone cannot build a real SaaS platform. To build a reliable digital product, you need architecture, you need infrastructure, and you need systems designed for scale. That is the purpose of Cyberforest: to give founders and developers the architecture they need to build real SaaS platforms. Follow contractbot.dk to learn more.